Your Honor, my name is Brian Mwenda. Brian Mwenda. I'm on record. I would like to bring the court to the attention of the affidavit, the supporting affidavit of CIP Kemboi, Rob. And I go straight to number 4. It indicates paragraph 4. He says that on...
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name still remains Alexander Nyako. You can just call me SLC. Today I'm taking you from Ghana to Kenya. Yes, we are going to talk about Brian Mwenda. Now Brian Mwenda is actually a fake Kenyan lawyer who just got exposed. Now, according to reportage, Brian Mwenda had no formal law education, yet he managed to, champion various court cases. That's 26 court cases, and he won all the cases. I mean, this is so fascinating how he managed to, master courage to win these cases, as just opposed to, so-called lawyers that went for, or that went through formal law education. This is so fascinating. Now, I picked this article from African Archives. Let me read it out for you. Now, Kenyan authorities have arrested a man they believe is a fake lawyer. Brian Mwenda has been accused of falsely presenting himself as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Now, he argued 26 cases before High Court judges, magistrates, and Court of Appeal judges. He won all the 26 before his arrest. Hey! Your man won all the 26 cases. Now, he even once advocated for the employment of professional lawyers. It means with his background, yes, he even advocated for, employment of professional lawyers. I mean, that's how bold Brian Mwenda could be. I mean, for me, I even think that even with this particular case, if you leave it for him, obviously we knew a court. I mean, Brian Mwenda, Charlie Ridey, so many people are criticizing him, of course. Other organizations are standing firm with him. Now, today there's a video of Brian Mwenda circulating, which actually shows, some of the bravery he actually exhibited during one of his recent court cases. Let's watch this video.
Your Honor, my name is Brian Mwenda. Brian Mwenda. I'm on record. I would like to bring the court to the attention of the affidavit, the supporting affidavit of CIP Kemboi, Rob. And I go straight to number 4. It indicates paragraph 4. He says that on the 20th of July 2023, the 3 accused persons were arrested at Kiserian. I would like to correct, I would like to indicate to have the court note that that is incorrect. Our clients were arrested on 19th. So this...
Your Honor, sorry to interject. We respect that information, but counsel cannot say it from the bar. He should have an affidavit stating what he's saying. Those are matters of fact. And we respect him when he says that, but he cannot. The rules of the game...
They've only served us with the application, so it is only fair that we mention it. Because if they are presenting something verbally and it's contradictory to what is on the affidavit, which I was going also to highlight, there are quite a number of facts that are not in alignment. So it is not good practice, and it is...
So as I said earlier, Brian Mwenda is actually making the trends everywhere on the internet now. People have also supported him. Now, this is actually from Mutembi TV. He says Mike Sonko volunteers to bail out Brian Mwenda, the fake lawyer, and pay his fees at the Kenya School of Law. Wow, this is interesting. Also, an organization known as KOTU. Now, KOTU simply means Center. Now, KOTU simply means Center Organization of Trade Unions. That's Kenya. Now, today, the Center Organization of Traders Union in Kenya believe that Brian Mwenda deserves an applaud and not an arrest, because they believe that trainings are not always, or let's say skills are not always gained at the formal level of academics. Now, they believe that there have been so many traders, footballers, accountants, engineers with high expertise who did not necessarily have to be in school to get a paper to prove, but yet they are working and they are functioning well. So they believe that if Brian Mwenda is going to be arrested for winning 26 cases, and not actually having a formal level of, tuition, they believe that that is not fair enough, and that they stand firm with Brian Mwenda. Today, Brian Mwenda has been the talk, you know, in Kenya, everywhere around the world gradually. Now, today, everywhere you go, Brian Mwenda is making the news everywhere. Now, I strongly believe that this Brian Mwenda, I mean, looking at his pedigree and looking at the cases he had won, he's a tough guy. He's a tough guy, and I'm not sure he can easily be arrested like that. I mean, he's a very tough guy. And I mean, look at this, not being at the formal level. I mean, what? Imagine he going to, you know, an official law school. I mean, going to the likes of Harvard and the rest, competing with these people. It's going to be wild. So yes, I mean, actually, Kenya have an asset to protect, not an asset to destroy. So I mean, that's it from me. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's it from the fake Kenyan that won all 26 cases, and well, he has been arrested. Other reporters says he has been released. Let's see how things go. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for today. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscription button for me if you enjoyed this video. Till we meet again, guys. Bye for now.